कुछ है? क्या है? खोने के लिए कुछ है तुम्हारे पास? तो काहे का डर है? अरे भूख से, थकान से, बुखार से,
Future anxiety, isn't it? And this is increasingly occurring amongst university students, not only because of failure in the study, but also because of fear of lack of job opportunities. Hello and welcome to my channel, Shalini Singh. Today I am going to discuss about GATE exam that can provide you the best opportunity to learn and earn without failure. So let's get started. Now let us discuss what is GATE exam about. GATE exam stands for General Aptitude Test in Engineering. It's a national level examination conducted jointly by Indian Institute of Science, IISc Bangalore, and 7 IITs. Those 7 IITs are at Bombay, Delhi, Guwahati, Kanpur, Kharagpur, Madras, and Roorkee. Now, next question comes is who sets the GATE question paper? So, every year, GATE question paper is set by different mentioned institute. Let's say for some year IIT Delhi is conducting and setting the question paper. So very next year some other institute will set the question paper. And every year it changes and accordingly the standard also changes. Some sets average question paper whereas some are known for setting harder question paper. जिस साल IIT Delhi क्वेश्चन पेपर सेट करेगा उसके अगले साल कोई और IIT क्वेश्चन पेपर सेट करेगा. हर साल इंस्टीट्यूट चेंज होता है जो कि क्वेश्चन पेपर चेंज करता है. नाउ कमिंग डाउन टू मोड ऑफ कंडक्टिंग एग्जाम, इट्स अ कंप्यूटर बेस्ड टेस्ट. अर्लियर इट यूज्ड टू बी इन हार्ड कॉपी बट नाउ इट्स इन द फॉर्म ऑफ ऑनलाइन only. Next is the organizing institute for GATE 2021 is IIT Bombay. So this year IIT Bombay is going to set the question paper. Now many of you might be thinking why GATE exam? बहुत लोगों के दिमाग में ये चीज आ रही होगी कि हम GATE exam ही क्यों दें? So as we know that corona pandemic is spreading at a very fast rate, so it has created a big challenge among youth with regard to employment opportunities, along with the few government policies have further resulted in economic slowdown, leading to mass unemployment and loss of jobs. So here are some surveys. So based on which I can prove that why opting GATE exam is beneficial for the students who are opting for engineering courses. First is survey based on job advertisement. मैं past 12 months का बता रही हूँ सर्वे जो कि top 10 occupations advertisement में दी गई थी. वो थी branches civil, mining, industrial and production, ICT, electrical, telecommunication professional, electronics engineering, chemical and material. इन fields के लिए जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज एडवर्टीजमेंट में दी गई थी. सेकेंड इज सर्वे बेस्ड ऑन लर्निंग टेक्नोलॉजी. इसमें पाया गया कि 8 आउट ऑफ 10 जॉब सीकर्स दे आर ऑप्टिंग फॉर लर्निंग न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी बिकॉज ऑफ कोरोना. क्योंकि हम बाहर जा नहीं सकते, सो जिन लोगों को जॉब नहीं मिल रही है एट प्रेजेंट टाइम दे आर ऑप्टिंग फॉर लर्निंग न्यू टेक्नोलॉजीज ऑनलाइन ओनली. थर्ड इज डिक्रीजिंग रेट ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग जॉब्स. So मैं May month का आपको बता रही हूँ that job advertisement fell by 8.7% in the month of May only. So you can observe. So there is no need to worry. GATE exam will give you ample of opportunities. How? Let us see. So GATE exam first, it provides financial assistance to postgraduate program, whether it is master or doctoral. Second, that you can opt for public sector unit jobs and those are government jobs. Third, you can study abroad. Now how you are eligible for financial assistance? Let's see. Now if you first qualify the GATE exam. Now qualifying GATE exam, how you can qualify it? For qualifying you have to get the cutoff marks. Cutoff marks is decided by the institute that is going to organize or conduct the question paper or who basically sets the question paper. जो institute question paper set करता है वही cutoff value भी set करता है. एग्जाम के बाद जैसे ही question paper सेट हो जाता है, एग्जाम कंडक्ट हो जाता है, डिपेंडिंग ऑन द मार्क्स ऑब्टेन्ड बाय द स्टूडेंट्स एक कट ऑफ मार्क्स डिसाइड किया जाता है. अगर वो कट ऑफ मार्क्स आप ले आते हैं या उसके ऊपर आता है, देन यू आर सेड टू बी एज गेट क्वालिफाइड। जस्ट कट ऑफ मार्क्स भी लाने से आपको गेट क्वालिफाइड बोला जाता है। एंड वंस यू क्वालिफाई द गेट एग्जाम, you are eligible to seek admission into any postgraduate program. Now suppose you are going to take a master's program, then you have a financial assistance of rupees 12,400 per month, whether it is MTech or any master degree. Okay, it can be in any other field. Now if you go for doctoral degree, you are eligible for having the financial assistance of rupees 25,000. Okay, now this time new policy has been assigned by the government that they will choose 2,000 students from IITs only, and those will be given 70,000 rupees of financial assistance for the research or doctoral degree. Okay, so in this way you are eligible for having financial assistance once you qualify the GATE exam. Second one is you can opt for PSUs. Now here are the list of PSUs that support GATE exam. So if you qualify GATE exam, you are eligible for applying into various PSUs like DRDO, BHEL, BARC, Coal India, BEML, MDL, okay, etc. Now what is the difference for getting in admission and for getting job into PSU? For getting admission, even if you score up to cutoff marks, you are eligible for having admission in any private institute. But for getting in the admission in IITs or NITs, you will have to score higher. Now for getting job in PSUs, you have to score further higher. That is around 50 to 60 marks out of 100 you will have to score for getting job into PSUs. This is the only difference. Next is, this time 6 international cities have been decided where this exam will be conducted. That is Addis Ababa in Ethiopia, Colombo in Sri Lanka, Dhaka in Bangladesh, Kathmandu, Dubai and Singapore. Now coming down to our next section, that is GATE 2021 information, is that this I have already discussed that this time GATE exam will be conducted by IIT Bombay. Then it will be conducted over 6 days and 12 sessions. So 6 days are 5 to 7th February and 12 to 14th February. 12 sessions how? So every day there will be 2 sessions. Each day 2 sessions of 3 hours each. Now I have given the official website, that is of IIT Bombay, because this time IIT Bombay is going to conduct this GATE exam. Now another point is that this time application will be accepted online only. So you will go to this official website, there you will get the option of applying it, and the required things will be passport size photograph and digital signature. Next is the subjects. So this time GATE 2021 will be conducted for 27 subjects. So here are the list of 27 subjects. Okay, now you can observe that total marks in each paper is 100, out of which 15 marks is for general aptitude, and the main paper is of 85 marks only. That is why I was saying कि GATE exam को qualify करना is very simple. अगर आपको just cut off marks लाना है, that is very simple. If you are good at general aptitude, जो कि verbal and non-verbal reasoning and mathematics बहुत basics आते हैं, अगर आप उसमें बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म कर लेते हैं, then आपके सब्जेक्ट को स्कोर करना is only 85 marks. And if you choose any particular stream or any particular subject for GATE exam, so you will observe that from initial days of your engineering courses to the final year course, the subjects that are covered are asked in this particular stream. Okay, so if you are good at some subjects और उसी को आप अच्छे से प्रिपेयर कर ले, then आपका उसका स्कोर प्लस जो जनरल एप्टीट्यूड में आप स्कोर करेंगे वो बहुत इजीली आप कट ऑफ को पार कर सकते हैं. So this time 2 changes are done in this 2021 form, that is environmental science and engineering and humanities and social science. These 2 subjects have been introduced. And if you go to the application part where subjects syllabus is given, you will observe that many changes have also been done in that part. Okay, this time students can appear for 2 subjects also. So for that also combination you can apply when you will fill the online application. Okay, so student appearing for 2 papers will fill only 1 application form. Correct. Now next is GATE exam will be conducted in different cities across India as well as 6 international centers, जो कि मैं आपको पहले ही बता चुकी हूँ कौन से वो 6 international centers है जहाँ पे GATE 2021 कंडक्ट किया जाएगा. Now next thing है, जब आप application form भरेंगे, at that time you will get one option of choosing the centers. वहाँ आपको 3 एग्जाम सेंटर्स भरने हैं जिसमें से 2 होंगे सेम जोन से and the third will be from other zone. Coming down to application fee part, 750 rupees है females, SC, ST and person with disabilities के लिए, and for the rest other categories it is 1500 rupees. Now this 1500 and 750 rupees is just for, or you can say just till 30th of September. अगर आप 30 सितंबर के बाद फॉर्म फिल करेंगे then you will have to pay 2000, that is the other category people, and for female, SC, ST and PWDs it will be 1250 rupees. Okay, for internationally students, international centers के लिए जो fee है that is $50 and $100 for Dubai and Singapore. So rest 4 other जो international centers है उसके लिए fees होगी $50. Now which center you will get, that you will know in admit card, that is on 8th January 2021. Now GATE scorecard valid up to 3 years. पहले GATE scorecard valid होता था 2 years के लिए. Okay, so this time it is valid up to 3 years. That means if you get a scorecard, that you can show up to 3 years for getting the job as well as for getting admission into any institute. So thank you. Hope this video brings you ample of information about GATE 2021 and wish you all the very best. Thank you.